Everyone loves watching and bird feeding at the same time, like what we see in common public areas or parks. You don't have to own a bird to feed them or place them in a cage. Here's one simple way to attract birds to your yard and feed them at the same time. Clean open tin cans with labels removed, spray paint in choice of colors, ribbons, twine and beads, a super glue, 2 chopsticks, and some bird food. Clean the tin cans well and remove all labels on it. What I used here is a condensed and evaporated milk tin can. In a well-ventilated area, spray paint the outside of your tin cans in various colors or a single color. Apply as many coats as needed for full coverage and let it dry for 24 to 48 hours. Place the chopstick in using some super glue. Half should be in the tin and another half should be out of it for the birds to perch and eat on it later. Let it dry for a few minutes. Now, for the hangers, cut a few pieces of ribbons approximately 12 to 18 inch for each of your cans. Wrap the outer tin with a layer of ribbon using some glue for stability, then carefully make a knot at the starting point facing upwards. As for the danglers, cut the twine ropes approximately 10 inches and fill in with colorful beads. Then add a stopper bead at the end and tie a knot. Place the other end of the finished twine beads in between the ribbon of the knot on top. Your homemade tin can bird feeder is almost done. Find a nice place near your home, preferably at outdoors, where it's not too warm and where birds normally are drawn to. Tie the tin can using the edge of the ribbon on a stable tree branch. Finally, add on some bird food in the tin can. It may take a while for birds to come and feast as they might think it's a trap, so patience is the key. Happy bird feeding everyone, and make sure there's supply of birdie food at all times.